Welcome to the Midwest Telecom tutorial on how to add a central phone book to your business phone system. Adding a central phone book makes it easy for any employee to quickly dial a directory number. To start, head on over to the Midwest Telecom portal and log into your account. On the main menu to the left, click the Settings tab, then click the Central Phone Book. If you don't see this option, please contact support to add permissions to your account. From the Central Phone Book page, click Add Contact. Enter the contact information. Add at least one phone number by clicking the plus symbol, then click Save. If you have multiple contacts to add, you can upload a CSV file. To start, download the CSV template from the Central Phone Book page and fill in the fields. Save the CSV to your computer. Be aware that a CSV upload will delete existing contacts in your Central Phone Book. To avoid losing any contacts, include all contacts on your master list. Now, click the CSV upload in the portal. Locate the file on your computer and click Open. The following warning message will appear. Click OK. Once the upload is complete, you will receive a message highlighted in green noting the number of imported records. Your Central Phone Book will update on all business phones automatically within 24 hours. But if you use Yeeling phones and would like to manually reset each phone, follow these 3 steps. 1. Press and hold the OK button. 2. Wait until the factory reset prompt appears. And 3. Select OK on the phone screen. To set up a Central Phone Book for your phone only, select the Home tab, click Extensions, open your extension, and click Show Advanced Options. Scroll down to find Central Phone Book. Add contacts manually or upload a CSV file. You will receive a message highlighted in green that notes the number of imported records. And there you have it, how to add a Central Phone Book. Still need help? Give us a call or send an email. We're here for you. And thanks for choosing Midwest Telecom for your business communication needs.